Hello dear students, now I am going to explain the Gauss elimination method of solving system of n linear equation in n unknowns. We know that the system of n linear equation n unknowns can be written in the matrix form as Ax is equal to B. That is A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, etc. AN1, AN2, ANN, X1, X2, etc. Xn is equal to B1, B2, etc. Bn. Now you have to apply successively only elementary row transformation so that the matrix A in the left hand side of the equation 1 can be reduced to upper triangular matrix, that is A11, A12, A1n, 0. Say this is A2 dash, A2n dash, 0, 0, say A3 2 dash, A3 3 dash, A3 n dash, etc. Lastly, An dash. This x1, x2, etc. xn. This is b1, b2 dash, bn dash. So how you have got this upper triangular form? Successively applying elementary row transformations only. Don't apply elementary column operation. This point you have to note, because you cannot apply elementary column transformation here. Now this is an upper triangular matrix. Now use the backward substitution method. How? You take, see here, this is 0, 0, 0. Now ANN dash xn is equal to bn dash, so that you will get the value of xn. Now take the last bottom one row, that will give you the value of xn minus 1 and so on. Finally you will get the value of x1. So this method is known as Gauss elimination method. Now here you have to note these points while applying the elementary operations. You have to be very careful, and the following points must be considered. The matrix A is called as coefficient matrix. X is matrix of unknown variables. B is matrix of constants. Here we have to adjoin the matrix B to A. That means you have to include the one column of the matrix A, and it is called as augmented matrix. It is called as augmented matrix. The system of equations is said to be consistent, that is having solutions, if rank of A is equal to rank of AB, and if rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to n, we have unique solution. And here we are going to solve only these type of equations only. Now this is the general method of solving n linear equation in n unknowns. Now in examination, sometimes they don't ask the question like this. They will give a system of n linear equations in n unknowns. They give system of 3 linear equations in 3 unknowns. Say for example, the question may be like this. Explain the method of solving the system of equations a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 is equal to b1. Second equation is a21x1, a22x2, a23x3 is equal to b2. The third equation is a31x1, a32x2, a33x3 is equal to p3 using Gauss elimination method. Using Gauss elimination method. Then how will you write the answer? The solution is like this. The above system of 3 equations in 3 unknowns can be written in the matrix form as Ax equal to B. That is, A is the matrix A11, A12, A13. Second row A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, X1, X2, X3, and right hand side is B1, B2, B3. Now again, here you have to apply successively elementary row operations so that the matrix A in the left hand side of this equation reduces to upper triangular. That is A11, A12, A13, because we are making with the first row only, hence the elements in the first row will not be changed. And this is written as 0. This is changed to A2, 2 dash. This is changed as A2, 3 dash. And in the last row, these two elements will be 0. And the third element is changed to A33 dash. This is as it is. And there is a change in the right hand side. This remains as B1 only. B2 dash, B3 dash. I think you are well aware of this method because you have studied this in BSc first sem. So now this is in the upper triangular form. Now you have to make use of backward substitution method. How? See here, 0 into x1 is 0, plus 0 into x2 is 0, and last one, A33 dash x3 is equal to B33 dash, and this gives x3 is equal to B33 dash divided by A33 dash. So this gives the value of x3. Now if you go to the second row backward, that is A22 x2 plus A23 dash x3 is equal to B2 dash, and here you know already the value of x3 here. Substitute, rearrange so that you will get the value of x2. Now come to the first row, that is A11 x1, A12 x2, A13 x3 is equal to B1. You have already obtained the value of x2, x3 here. Substitute the values of x2, x3 here, rearrange the equation, and this gives the value of x1. So we have got the solution for x1, x2, x3. and this is known as Gauss elimination method. Here, note one thing. Instead of x1, x2, x3, you may have x, y, z. They may give like this. So it is another representation. They are one and same. So in place of x1, you write x. In place of x2, you write y. And in place of x3, you write z. And explain like this so that it gets answered.